Hi to everyone. Hope so you are all good. Today we are here with a new video of Town Hall 10 Pika Bobat. In this video I tell you how to Pika Bobat at Town Hall 10 without max hero, because at this ID our hero level is 34 and the max hero according to Town Hall 10 is 40, so our hero is not max. Whatever, it's a powerful strategy. First of all, I just want to say you that if there is a new user on our channel, then subscribe the channel and share with friends. At this, I want to say this is the first Clash of Clans channel from Pakistan, so it will take time to grow up. That's why I need your help. Share the videos with friends and like video, and also comment. I have all Town Hall IDs, so you can comment. During recording video, a friend called me, so I go attend his call. It's important. That's why. So then now let's see the attacks of Pika Bobat at Town Hall 10. Whatever this ID is upgraded to Town Hall 11, but its army and heroes according to Town Hall 10 and also army camps. Let's see first attack. Oh, share now. First of all, you have to see the side where from all troops come into the base. You must use 2 baby dragon or other troops for funneling to send all troops Pika bowlers into the base. Here you can see. Here I use baby dragon. That's why my other remaining all troops go into the base. And according to situation, you have to use your heal spell and your ray spell. You can also take 2 ray spell or 2 heal as you wish according to base. Whatever, I think this combination is good. If bowler's health become very low, then you can heal them again, because we do not use healers there. That's why. Notification from YouTube. Let's see what's going on. There is a max base of according to Town Hall 10. Here I done a mistake that I take only 3 bad spell, but it's a power study. That's why it will be done only with 3 bad spell. I saved 3 spells. 3 spells. Only you want to say 3 spells. I already told you I upgraded the Town Hall this ID to Town Hall 11, but not army and army camps and whatever clan castle was updated. So the other spell given by clan castle we do not using here, and the other 3 spells as a swag you can use. Hope so you understand how to Pika Bobat at Town Hall 10. Let's see the other attack. Again, I am saying, if there is a new user on our channel, then subscribe the channel and share the videos with your friends. Okay, let's see the other one. Here is a max Town Hall 10 base. Everything in the wizard towers, air defense, archer tower, cannon, and mortar, bomb tower. Everything is max. You have to same thing. Use 2 baby dragon to send all remaining troops. Use baby dragon for funneling, and the other remaining troops will have to go into the base. Then it will be very easy to get 3-star with this strategy. We've done this tag from this side. Here our bowler power is health is very low, that's why I use heal soon here, and after that according to situation I use rage. The correct combination of spells is 5, 6 bad spell, 2 free spells, and 1 heal and 1 rage. You can change if you have to tag in base, then you can change according to situation. Well, let's say after that in this attack I also save 2 spells. I did not use 2 spells and simply get 3 star. Very simple and very easy strategy of Town Hall 10. You have to visit my channel. It will be helpful for you because I uploaded I think 15 videos of Town Hall 11 attack strategies, and the Indian clasher Sumit who created a unbeatable base at Town Hall 11. I already beaten his base only with only 1 hero. Hope so you understand this strategy. Comment in comment box and like the video, share the videos, and at the end I'm again saying that if there is a new person on our channel, then subscribe the channel and share the video with friends. Okay, so Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.